So we have a very famous YouTuber aboard the boat today.
I'm a very partially successful vlogger. Been recognised 6 times, people.
Seven. I was number 7.
No. And actually, and remember, I had to take off one because they thought I was Shell from Skyhooks, the band, the rock band, Australian rock band.
It happened.
He died in a. She goes, I can't believe it's you. I thought you were dead. Because he died in a helicopter accident. And ironic, I mean, not ironically, the crazy thing is, I used to go water skiing with him.
Like, really?
It's crazy. With Shell, and we looked similar. And all we do is just take the piss out of each other, like for like 3 hours on Sunday. It was hilarious.
I've never seen one of these guys before. How do I do the conch?
So
Teach
pull
me.
it up.
Dog needs to...
Put it on the board and I'll show you.
These are its eyes right here.
Yeah.
Look at its eyes. Oh, you look... I don't know if I can do it anymore.
Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes.
I don't know if I can do it. Oh my god, this is so hard. He's connecting with me, or he's going cross-eyed. Look at his eyes.
He's going cross-eyed.
Why can't we just take him out like this?
It's an interesting theory.
Oh, it's a gusher.
That's happened to me once or twice, and also with the conch.
I love when it gushes me like that, right in the eyes.
Alright, you got a hole? Okay, now you got to
Oh, it smells bad.
Now, traditionally, you have to take a sip right from the hole.
I think Darren's talking about the conch, people.
Behind me, his eyes were we were connecting. His eyes were like out there, and he was like, "You're gonna kill me." I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, bud. Oh, what's that? What's this? Is that his dick?
That's the dick! That's the dick!
We got his dick!
You have to pull it out and eat it. You gotta eat the pistol.
I'm good at this. I'm good at this. Wait.
Pull it, keep pulling it out. Yes!
Oh,
yeah,
man.
do it!
Do it.
Oh, come on, don't be scared.
This isn't poisonous?
No, it's not poisonous. It doesn't taste like anything. Yes, she did it. Now swallow the whole thing.
I'm gonna save some for you.
Eat the no. You did like there is
I kind of like concha dick. Damn, baby, you taste good.
I'm gonna make up t-shirts.
Was it really the deep?
You did a good job. It's all done. It's all done. Now, you now turn it over and grab the claw and pull it out.
But it's dead now, right?
No,
I
it's
ate
not
its
dead. It's
I
only.
ate its dick.
You-
I can live without its
You
dick.
ate a living creature's dick. First
Now
time?
I have to kill it and be like, I ate your dick first, and then I'm gonna eat your body. Here's his eyes. Oh,
that a
look
thing?
at his eyes right here.
Oh, you ate one of the eyes.
Oh, he's alive. No,
Yeah, he's alive. Finish him off.
I don't know what to do now.
I usually chop their eyes off first, so they can't see what's happening.
So you go down there and you cut off all the flaps. See these flaps?
Yeah.
Right, so you cut off all that, go around the other side. Then you feel where the gut.
It's like he likes it. He
Channels.
likes being killed.
No, he doesn't. Ups.
Yeah.
So yeah, slide underneath.
Got a lot of
I don't know if I could do this.
Why not? We get some.
No, it's okay.
Oh yeah.
Where do I kill him now?
He's dead. You already cut his eyes and head off.
I didn't cut his eyes
Got
off.
him.
Here we
Mission
go.
accomplished.
Now you need.
Like, subscribe, comment, share the videos around to your mates.
Here on T-Shirt, we only provide the absolute essentials. It's a really rough survival experience. We really, our crew has to survive through the worst of conditions with minimal, pleasantries. So tonight we decided we'd break out all the best, all the finest. And Stephanie killed it with this cake here. Stephanie killed it with the cake.
So good. This whole thing is very rare.
Look at it's layered.
Because I heard it.
I said it was layered. Share one, but I lied.
You share
layered it.
This is
I'm gonna-
yeah, that's why I made more.
Come on,
Yeah.
Stephanie,
We don't
take a
do this all
bow.
the time.
Take a bow, Stephanie.
Hello.
People know Plucky is a master spearfishing.
I'm a master of, well, something or other.
Plucky's breaking into the women's liquor supply. He's drinking all the light rum products. He likes that sugary stuff, apparently.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's talking about. It's really good, people. It's really good.
Arriba, abajo, para el centro, para adentro. Yeah.
Well, there's lots of reasons. Oh, camera wars. Thank you, Crystal.
Thank you, Chris.
Thanks for catching the fish.
You're welcome. How's the big man?
Doing good, doing good. It was a nice swim today. It was a nice swim. Feeling good.
Excellent.
It's taken me a long time to get my breath back since COVID, man.
Hello, plucky people. So I'm Crystal. This is Stephanie. You should come check us out on Sailing Too Short. Lots of shenanigans, and we do a lot of sundowners. Thank you for dancing.
I've never seen these people before in my life. Yes, they did have a YouTube channel, but sadly, not anymore. They saw the light. It was no way to make a living on YouTube. They are currently running day charters out of Florida. Details are in the description. Look at that.
Dog hair all over you. Yeah,
That's great. That's unreal. I could use one on my crew. Naomi! Naomi, come on, come on, come on. Darren's going to take us to do a shark dive maybe. Well, up to the caves. Someone's happy. Are you going to feed it again?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's get it on camera.
Oh, it's not on camera?
No.
You just hear the.
Oh,
Yeah.
you've seen it?
You can see the shark, but you can't really see her
Yeah.
giving him
Yeah.
the fish.
Is your ass in the way?
Yes.
Yeah, well,
My big ass is
You
in the way.
were moving that ass. I would have had to swim like 5 meters per second
It's
just
a
get
big
through.
one, you know.
Do you want to feed the shark?
Yes, but maybe not with my hand, maybe with a little
With a
line.
string? Yeah, okay.
I'm not as courageous as Naomi.
Alright, good.
I'll get there one day.
Can we go back to the boat? I have an extra one. I also forgot my camera.
The first thing is to get Stephanie used to her gun so she won't unnecessarily hurt any fish. Yep, she's good.
She's calling me like the rainbow. She's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow. She's calling me like the rainbow. She's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow. Calling me like the rainbow. She's calling me like the rainbow, the rainbow.
Everyone have fun?
Yes! So fun. Hey, buddy. I'm not lunch. Not me.
Jay's got a period today and she's petrified that they're after her.
Every time I were to find one, they'd be either right behind me or right underneath me, and I think they liked me today. They smelled me, you know.
Maybe they do smell a period.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't have enough knowledge to not be a little freaked out by that, and probably too much information. But this is day 1 of my period, so there's a lot of blood there. Sorry for that.
Sailing Too Short. We're going to rendezvous in 2 days' time at a secret destination. He's a big diving fan, and we're going to do some caves with him. Here, come on, give us a few of those. Come on. All the way like Steffi used to go. Come on, you can do it. Okay, that'll do it. How nice is this? Sailing between the islands, so nice.
Lovely.
Gonna be a nice sunset, hopefully. Sunset sail, people. We're parting from good friends, but we'll meet again sometime. 2 days, possibly. Unless there's a stuff up. And you know this channel. Glorious day to be alive, people. Sailing again. We don't do enough sailing because you girls aren't learning enough, hey?
Yeah.
Poor Jay has to relearn every 3 or 4 days.
Seriously.
Not yet, I'm gonna drop back a bit because we're just a bit close. The reef is literally right there. So it's like less than 20 meters and it's less than 20 meters, oh, probably 25 meters. It's close, I'm just waiting for the wind to push us back a bit. It's just happening now. That was good, that was really good. No matter, some stuff?
I think we are quite close, but
Well, we are. We went past our anchor spot.
I can see it,
I know,
you know?
I can see it. It's just there. I mean, I can see a
like
fish.
it's out of the water, you know?